Hello friends, hope everything is fine with you guys. Now, in this lecture we are going to understand this minus front concept. So for this, first of all, let's select the rectangle tool, draw a rectangle and draw another rectangle. Now select these two rectangles and let's make it this color. And make sure that these two are already selected. And now let's click on minus front. And as the name suggests, it will cut the front one. So first of all, let me come back to this stage, and now let's bring the first one to top. How you can do that? Yes friend, now this is another thing which you can learn, that is this object is at back. How you can bring this to front? Select it, go to object, come to arrange and bring to front. That's it. Go to object, first of all select the object that you want to work on with, click on object, arrange, bring to front, and see its keyboard shortcut shift control and the bracket. This is the right bracket. Okay, so now select these two, apply minus front, and see you have got this shape. Now later you will understand that using these techniques we can create cool logos. Yes friend, I will show you how. But first of all, let's go through another concept. Let me get back to this stage. Now let's change its color to something else, say this blue. Now let's select these two again and let's unite them and see what happens. The color has also changed for the one which was at the back. So again press Ctrl Z. Oops, let's redo it. Okay, select these two, unite. So what is happening now? Let's again press Ctrl Z and select only the first one and let's bring it to front, arrange, bring to front. Now let's apply. See, so whichever is at the front, that color is being implemented after the objects are united. So let's experiment with three objects. So first of all, let's undo and let's create another shape. This time let's make it this one, and now let's select all and click on unite. See, so first of all it is uniting and applying the color of that object which is at the front. So this is the concept. Okay, so we have covered unite and minus front. Next is intersect. Let me cover this here in this lecture only. Yep. So what intersect does is, let me create two shapes of different color and let me select the black arrow tool, select these two and let's click on intersect and see only the intersection part is there and else are being deleted. And what's the color? The color of our front object. Yes friend, always remember this. Okay, next we have exclude. So yep, so select these two and click on exclude and see, it's really cool, isn't it? Now select the direct selection tool, select only this one and bring it like this See, it's like a logo, right? Yes, friend. Using these techniques only, we can design logos. I mean, we can design simple logos, of course. Okay, so first four are done. So these are the shape modes, and then we have the path finders. Yes, and we will cover these in our next lecture. But for now, let's understand. So the first one is unite. It will help in combining shapes. Next, minus front. It is excluding the object which is at the front. Next, intersect. So it is skipping the intersection part. Next, exclude. So it's the reverse of this one, intersection. Okay, so that's it, guys. Here we have covered four shape modes. Next, in our next lecture, we will cover these. So see you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.